Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How is everything today?
Everything is fine, sir.
How many guests checked in today?
10 guests so far.
And how many checked out?
5 guests checked out this morning.
Any complaints today?
Only one, sir, about the air conditioner.
Did you fix it?
Yes, maintenance team handle it.
Good. What about room service?
Everything is on time, sir.
Did the new staff join today?
Yes, one receptionist joined.
Make sure to train her properly.
Sure, sir.
What about room 204?
It's under cleaning now.
Okay, prepare it quickly.
Yes, sir.
Any VIP guests coming today?
Yes, one guest from Dubai.
Arrange a welcome drink for him.
I'll do that, sir.
What about today's booking list?
Fully booked, sir.
That's great.
Yes, business is going well.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you, sir.
Did you check the kitchen?
Not yet, sir.
Please check it soon. I'll go right now. And keep me updated.
Sure, sir. No problem.
Let's have a meeting at 5 p.m.
Okay, I'll inform everyone.